So one of my clients asked if they could have bangs in their hair. I didn't know what the bangs were. I was like, bangs? Oh, what's that? So I had to look on the internet. And basically, bangs are a really thick fringe that come down on either side. Okay, so you have to get your hair really like pulled down. You have to change it to the side with that, with your scissors. Okay, if you want it to about here, you would have to pull it down a bit more. Okay, you twist, you take your hand in like that, there, and then you twist again, like that. Comb it down, and at that point, you cut. Then once that is done, when it comes out, it will look like this.